Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula drizzled with some Artist Loft white mixed with Floetrol and some GAC 800. No paint chips invited. Actually, I think that's something from the inside of the rib. So I've got a bunch of Prism pours from Colour Arte, and there's a coupon right underneath the video should you want to purchase something. I recommend them highly. I'm having such a good time with them, really I am. In any case, I'm going to drizzle some of them into a shovel, and I'm going to use what I used to use, which is some Anita's White Metallic in the bottom of the shovel. I'm not going to worry about my edges. I am going to put my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula into the bucket. It's available on my Amazon link. I highly recommend it. So the reason I'm doing this right here is so I can float those colors. And I'm going to do whatever it takes. I'm going to use some hot Orchid. I may swipe. It might be more like a smear. We'll see what happens. This is some Egyptian coin. All of my colors, all of my Prism pour colors are mixed with Vivid Polypore. That's a water horse. I don't know what this is going to be like. That is the whole reason I'm doing it. This is some Frozen. I'm running out of space quickly. I was going to put some Colour Arte, but I'm not. I want some purple. I've got two colors that are really close to each other. One is African Violet and one is Twilight Violet. And I'm not sure which is which right at the moment. So if you really, really, really super need to know, let me know. And I'll try and figure it out for you. In any case, one of those two is going in here right now. What else do I want to top that up with? I don't know. I have, yes, some Chantilly lace. And it's plugged. And it creates a nice sparkle come out. And my shovel is almost full, which is okay. What else? I think I'm going to top it up with blue velvet and hope that I can get away with that. Quick before it spills. That's a lot of paint, which could be a good thing at this point. I'm not going to worry about any more of that. Anita's White Metallic because I have a desire to use it. I will go ahead. Some more Frozen and some more of the purple in there. A little more of the pink diamond. And a little more gold. Still not sure exactly what I'm going to do. But I think it's going to involve grabbing a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And allowing whatever I want to come out. I'm contemplating using some black before I go anywhere else. Mead and black. Not sure what I'm doing at all, but I'm gonna keep doing it until I figure it out. Alright, so I've got, I want to use a card. I was going to use a palette knife, but I want to use a card. Actually, you know what I'm really going to do? I'm going to use one of my little acetate tools. which is what I really wanted to do anyway. I'm going to use some white. I may wind up spinning some of this. I don't mind if I get a whole bunch of different things. Colors, cell activators. It's Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam White or Dioxazine Purple. I can't knock that off, and probably don't even need to. I'm going to use the black next. This is cool. I'm having a good time. So I mix these kind of differently. These Prism pours are mixed with Vivid Polypore. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Loving that. I want to try something. It might or might not work. I've got some hot Orchid, and I'm going to put it right on my paddle, and then put some black and some white cell activator on top of it. I'm going to turn my turntable. I'm surprised I got no cells out of that at all, but at least it's a nice color, right? I think I can still get some cells out of that if I use the Amsterdam White. This is cool. I could stop now. It's that cool. Sometimes I'm like that. I don't know what that thing is, but I see it and it's got to go. It's a lump of black. It does not belong. So, do I take some white and just, yeah. Give myself some elbow room. Get down, get funky. Yeah, I like that. That's fine. It's my little tool. Do some abstract expressionist, strange. I want a little bit of that pink right there. I should not lift my color over the canvas. I definitely recommend going around your work. Okay, so there's more coming up. Am I going to use the same size tool? I have other tools, or I did have other tools. They must be right there. I found them. They were dry and clean. I like it when that happens. It's always good to clean your tools up. I recommend it highly. Okay, so I've learned my lesson, and I'm not going to put anything but cell activator onto my paddles, or whatever you want to call them. I do like to use the edge of these little acetate tools, and I do have a video, and if I remember I'll include it under the video, and if I don't remember, you're more than welcome to ask me for the tools, the acetate tools video. And use all the rest of that paint. I kind of want to put some more up here. I mean, after all, I do have the paint. A little more water dragging down here. A little bit of pink diamond with it. Some Egyptian coin. And off to the races. Some white cell activator, which is Aussie Floetrol. And the paint pouring recipe is under, and cell activator recipe are underneath the video. I want to blow that out. So far so good. I am having a really good time, I gotta say. Except for that one spot. Keeps bugging me. You are probably not supposed to touch this stuff. Wear gloves. If you can stand to. I have paint here I know I can steal just by dipping it in. So I'm going to do that. Alright, do I do anything up here or do I not? That is the question. I did get myself out a smaller tool to use. That's the frozen and the Egyptian coin again. I think this time I'm going to put a little claret in there. And grab my smallest tool of all and use it with the white cell activator. Which did not work. Which will work when I make it work. There we go. I might have to cover my edges with some stuff. This is fun to play with. Sometimes I paint my edges black too. I think I might be right in calling this finished. Even though it's got some negative space and they're hanging, I kind of like it just the way it is. So that's the way I like it, the way you have it up. And I could always change my mind and do something to it tomorrow. But in the meantime, this will work. And maybe I'll try something more like a smear the next time I do this. But for now, please give me a thumbs up and know that my link tree is under the video, along with the 20% off promo code for Colour Arte Prism Pours. And yeah, I believe you can use that even for the Vivid Polypore, which you might want to. Please share my videos, watch them longer, watch the commercials if you get a chance. My link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My email address is beneath it. If should you be interested in inquiring about purchasing an artwork or lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My Amazon link is also in the link tree, as well as my PayPal link. If you want to be in the monthly drawing and you want to be invited to join, a donation through PayPal, whose icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, will get you a donation through PayPal, will get you an invitation, and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video I include on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of this video. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Questions are fine. Please ask me if you'd like to, or if you need to know something. I did mention my paint pouring recipes underneath the video, as well as my cell activator recipe. I'm sure I forgot that I had 2,300 videos organized by topic, genre, and the 100. And if you can't find what you're after by going to my YouTube channel and playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, then just ask me, because I know where they all are. And I'd be happy to help you. I have 2 books on the Amazon link, and if you shop the Amazon link at what it costs you, it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for the wonderful, kind words and comments that keep me painting. Keep my morale boosted, and thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting and keep my morale boosted. I am loving the different areas of color in this. This is floating my boat. I really, really like this a lot. I will probably add, like I said, a little bit of black paint along the edges in places, or maybe everywhere, or just where there isn't color. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure you check out my link tree because there's Society 6 and Le Gallerist. I'm going to zoom in so you get a chance to see something. The Gallerist is investment quality clothing made in Montreal. Designer quality. Awesome. Society 6 has some of my favorite designs ever that I put on all kinds of stuff there, and I hope to put more there soon. The spring clothing below the video is much less expensive than Le Gallerist, and if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me. And if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me for fineartamericapixels.com too, because I can have anything reproduced for you. It's just a question away. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.